Hello there, welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how to send XLM using the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. So follow along. On the SciSync app sidebar, select Send. Choose the wallet and the Stellar account. Enter the amount and the receiver's address. Maximum spendable amount is equals to total balance minus 1 XLM, which is base reserve. This requirement is forced by the Stellar network and not by Cypherock. Enter the wallet address. You can choose the memo which is only needed to send funds from your Cypherock XLM account to an exchange. You can add a personal note here. Here is a summary of the transaction. On the X1 vault, sign the transaction on the XLM. Verify the address shown on the trusted display of the X1 vault. Verify the amount. Verify the transaction fees. Enter the PIN for this wallet. Tap any one of the 4 X1 cards below the X1 vault. The transaction was successful, and this is the transaction details. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to send XLM using Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet.